Let us begin questions for the look back. This is called the look back procedure, where after you've retold all that you remember, I'm going to ask you certain questions about what you remember, basically. Okay. What is this section, part 1 of the story, mainly about?
It's about viruses.
That's it?
It's about viruses and what they can, what they are in general and how they, compare to actual cells. They're considered cells, but they're very simplistic in style.
Okay. Number 2. What are the 2 parts of a virus?
The protein coat and the envelope. The envelope.
Do not look. How do viruses and cells differ?
Viruses and cells? Viruses and cells have a nucleus, but viruses don't have all the cell organelles that a normal cell would have. And they have less genes in them.
Okay. If a virus contains both DNA and RNA, which functions as the hereditary material?
Hereditary with what? Can you repeat the question again?
If a virus contains both DNA and RNA, which one of those 2 functions as the hereditary material?
The RNA would act as the hereditary material?
Okay. You're doing great. Okay. Number 5, we have 10 questions. How is the existence of a virus less complex than that of a cell?
A cell, it's less complex because a virus, all they really have to do is, their only goal is to infect a cell and then create more of themselves so they can spread themselves, while a cell in your body or a plant has to maintain itself so it can so your body can function normally. And that's pretty much it. There's no real there's no what.
You said function normally, right?
Yeah, the cells, animal and plant cells help make the body function normally, unlike viruses. They just spread disease.
Okay. What does a virus need to replicate?
It needs a host cell.
Okay. Number 7, why are living cells essential for viral reproduction?
Living cells is essential for viral production because since viruses need a host cell, and after they split, more will come out. Those copies have to find the cell to latch onto. So when those cells die, even more will come out. And it'll just keep spreading and spreading until something, or the whole...
Until it spreads?
Until it spreads or until it stops. Until it fully spreads and kills or whatever it really does, or it spreads and it gets stopped by something.
Okay. Number 8. What is the major difference between the lytic and the lysogenic cycle?
The lytic cycle is when the virus starts to kill a cell and starts the process of making more, while the lysogenic state cycle, it just...
Wait, what did you say makes itself more?
What?
For the
lytic cycle, more, the virus will start to kill the host cell, and then the rest of the viruses will come out after it, while the lysogenic cycle is when the virus will just sit there until something activates it or stimulates it to begin the lytic cycle.
Okay. Number 9. When a cold sore erupts, what cycle is the virus in?
The lytic cycle.
What happens to a prophage when the host cell divides?
When the host cell divides? It divides along with it? Or does it... prophage?
What's another word for what you're saying?
It replicates itself.
Okay.
It duplicates itself.
Good job.